percentage.
Oh my God. I do. Quick boat project. I don't have anything to do with it. Love it. I mean, do you need any help, Jeff?
No, I think I'm good. Might be a one-man job.
Listen to me.
I think it uploaded.
Well done. Boat tour time.
On our rafted friends boat.
Oh. Wow. T-Ray. T-Racing. Yeah. This setup is sick. That's cool.
And then the bathroom, which is clean.
Not and still, I love the old TVs built in. I love it. So good.
That's great. I'm surprised our boat doesn't have that. Time for some clamato. Oh wait, what do you call them? Caesars, aka Bloody Marys, plus Denver, and Canadian. Party! Tony stick in your morning drink? You make me find it.
You mean you pirated it?
He pirated it.
Cheers!
Cheers.
That's the boat life.
The Canadian experience continues. That's tasty. Clamato. It's good. It is good.
Okay, let's extract it.
Oh yeah.
Yella! Yella! Yella!
Did it just come on?
Do you have your safety lanyard in? Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Ignition contact is loose.
What size was that? 3/8?
3/8.
16 or 4? I get 5/16.
Party on, party people. Fixed it up.
You got it. Dick, you're right.
Move me.
It turned on? Woo! Nick saves the day!
Sailors, I'm just saying. I'm just saying.
Let's go tubing! First timer!
Ever?
Well, I've been on the tube flat on your stomach before, but never in a...
Oh, yeah.
Well, and definitely first time in the
That's true, too. Where do you fall off?
Well, splish splash in the face.
Little splish splash.
Did I?
Brisk? Is it brisk?
Honestly, when I put the life jacket on was the coldest part, and then it's just like, you know, it was good. But I did mostly one-handed, so.
Nice. We're gonna do the circle of death. It's a very distinct pattern. Figure 8, once or twice, and then right through the middle.
Pow!
It's like a big ramp for a tube. Ready, rock and roll.
Rock, rock, daddy.
It's not so bad.
Try harder.
The girls did it easy. What's wrong?
You're showing your age.
I'm so tired.
What happened?
Well, you're draining, right? You're like.
Oh man, the whole time it's like, oh, I haven't done that in a long time.
What happened
Worth
to
it.
your life vest there?
I don't know. I got all willy-nilly when I hit the water. Happened to all of us.
Fun times?
Yeah, it was a good team on there. We were solid.
Yeah.
So tired. Can't keep up with the kids anymore. It was a hell of a time though. Did you see my beard? Like, oh.
Maybe on camera. I was looking
Yeah,
at
it was
the
like.
camera.
At some point we stopped and it was like this, but it wouldn't move.
I know. Just. He says if I had balls, it'd be feeling good.
That's right. If they were there. The lake water, when I first hit it, like I hit the tube and flipped, and I was like, oh no, salt water and then fresh water. Fantastic.
How's it taste?
It tastes great. I mean, hey, this way?
Yeah, one there. Yeah, perfect. Now you slide her up. You do the bottom one first.
Oh, right in the junk.
Now you lift her up. There we go.
I thought you were
Canada, we need the bigger one for the front end.
It's just so tight right here. Going in.
Nice.
Looks good.
My aqua diaper.
Grade A diaper. How is it?
Yeah. Super shallow.
You're
A little chillier over here than it was when I was all invigorated.
Are you standing still?
Now I'm floating now.
Look, Ma, no hands. Thanks to the life
I know.
preserver diaper. Can he swim?
I don't know if you'll make it. Keep an eye on him, okay?
Okay.
Come back to the rescue.
Like he's
Look,
going.
he's going.
He's like, I'm out of here.
Look at him. He loves
Totally
it.
calm. He's like, just swimming. Yeah.
Keep an eye on him. Make sure he gets back in the boat. You got a stowaway on the side.
More like
It's a Jewfish.
no urchin, like a sea urchin.
Sea urchin.
Yeah.
How does it feel today, Sonicha?
Good.
It's not a diaper.
When you're in the junk suit like
Yeah,
that?
when the junk suit's on, I feel like it's safe. You know what I
You
mean?
feel secure, right?
Yeah.
It's a secure.
I don't have to worry about my bits.
All right, all right, all right.
All right, all right, all right.
Lake
That
life.
lake life.
Loving
It's
it.
very peaceful out here. Beautiful, totally different scenery. There's huge trees, granite rocks.
And it's a comfortable temperature.
It's yeah,
Like-
that's true. They were actually laughing at me because I'm wearing a long sleeve shirt. And they were like, "What are you doing? It's so hot." Which it wasn't.
It's probably like, I would say 15 degrees cooler
Oh, at
because
least.
it's less humid. So it feels like maybe mid 80s, which sometimes that makes me cold, but right now it feels fantastic.
But just beautiful out here. Just from we saw it a little bit last night when we came out in the dark, and then today we got to tour around on the boat.
It's nice. Very nice.
By the way, we're at Lake of the Woods.
Kenora, Ontario, Canada. Living the lake life.
Thanks to everybody for hosting the boat life. Appreciate you.
Yeah. Tell your friends, subscribe, leave us a comment. He's still got the beard, sorry.
That's the boat life. Thanks for watching.
See you next time. Oh yeah, today we went for a ripper.
On the boat. All right. See you tomorrow.
Too slow.
She gon' catch a rumor at the Calabasas. She said crazy just a little, cause I made him crazy about that. Yo, wanna kick it, Jackie Chan.